Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Era Modelers Club. Got something brand new. If you watch my channel, you'll see an unboxing of it. Then you'll see a post build of it. And now here's the Maiden of the Taft Hobby 90mm Valkyrie. Now this is the cartoon version. This comes to you from Red Wing RC out of Lebanon, Illinois. She's $2.99. They still have them in stock. And now I'm going to say it's a small company, so they can't give you free shipping, but $60 shipping, so you'll have $2.99 plus $60 shipping. But she's 90mm, she's got flaps, and she got full house retract suspension gear. I'm going to take her up in my mid rates, which for me, mid rates are 60%.
Safe mode.
I do have an AR630 on board for my receiver. I have safe. I'm not going to use it. My high rates are 70% on the ailerons. On the elevator is 90% for high rates, and on the rudder is 100%. Okay. But for my ailerons, mid rates are 60 because it's got some pretty big control surfaces. So 15% expo all the way around. All right, so without further ado, and she runs a 5000 6S just underneath, you can see the front of the battery compartment, just underneath the lip of that, and she CG's perfect right there. Or at least I hope so. I don't have any elevator to flat mix because I don't know that until I fly her. So, all right, timer set for 3.5 minutes. So let's go ahead and turn the motor on. Get her turned around here. We're going to take up the whole runway. Going to use my takeoff flaps. See how I like those. Just so you know, my takeoff flaps are down negative 60% on a spectrum, and my landing flaps are positive 10% on a spectrum. Flaps up are negative 100%. All right, left, up, down, right, left. Take off flaps, timer set for 3.5 minutes. Here we go. Oh, she's a sweet flying jet. That's full speed. Oh man, yeah. Need a little bit of down trim.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh man, yeah. All she needed was a little bit of down trim. Maybe even move that battery a little farther forward.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
I'm a little high. Gonna go around. Gonna come back and make my approach from the other side.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh man, what a sweet flying jet.
Flaps up.
All right, yeah, wow. Man, she's a sweet flying jet. Wow. All right, I'm gonna do no takeoff flaps this time. We still got a minute and a half.
Gear up.
Just so you know, that front gear is sequenced. So, that gear door. All right.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
Man. Am I impressed? Oh man, am I impressed.
Flaps up.
I think what I'm going to do, still got 44 seconds. I'm going to try one more landing and takeoff. I'm going to drop them flaps just a little bit more on the landing flaps. See if I can't increase their effectiveness. All right.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, here we go.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
You know, that gear, I think she could handle grass. Wheels are kind of small. Yeah, I just got to get used to her, figure out where her stall is. But man, what a sweet flying jet.
Flaps up.
All right,
Motor on.
motor off. I flew for 3 minutes and 21 seconds, so almost 3.5 minutes full. Let's see what is on. Oh, I am so pumped. I was so nervous. I've never had anything to do with Taft Hobby. I have no idea about their planes. All right, 3.5 minutes, really 3 minutes is all you want, because they come back at 14%. So 3 minutes on a 5,000, and you can see I got it tucked in just underneath that lip there, just underneath the battery lip. So I think it actually could come forward a little bit because she did want to climb on me. So that's even better. Man, folks, and look at how big this jet is. I mean, this is no small plane. This is it's a very dirty plane now, as you can see. But look at that. Is that not awesome? Wow. I am blown away. Absolutely blown away. And it's cute. I know I call it JJ the jet plane. I looked up JJ the jet plane. I know he looks more like a C-47 that's blue. But I just thought this was JJ the jet plane. So let's call, what do you all want to call him? Jenkins the jet, maybe? But man, what a sweet flying plane. All right, folks, well, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then jets. Bye-bye.